JBL Summit Pumori. How to connect, pair, and use how to set up JBL Summit Pumori. Step 1. Unbox and place. Carefully remove the speakers from the box. Place them on a stable surface, ideally on the included isoacoustics isolation feet, to reduce vibrations. Step 2. Connect to an amplifier. Use high-quality speaker cables to connect the speakers to your amplifier. Ensure correct polarity. Connect the red positive terminal on the speaker to the red terminal on the amplifier and the black negative terminal to the black terminal. Step 3. Positioning. Place the speakers at least 3-4 feet away from walls and corners to minimize bass reflection. Position them at ear level when seated for optimal sound. How to use JBL Summit Pumori. Step 1. Power on. Turn on your amplifier and set it to the appropriate input source, e.g., CD player, turntable, etc. Step 2. Play music through your chosen source. Adjust the amplifier's volume to a comfortable level. Step 3. Enjoy the sound. Sit in your primary listening position and enjoy the high-fidelity sound produced by the Pumori speakers.